In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a picture in Paint Tool SAI. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top left and click on File, and then you want to click on Open. Now, of course, to do this, you can have your canvas open already or not. It's completely up to you. So just click on Open over here. Then you want to find the image which you want to add, or of course the picture. I have one over here of my logo. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to click on Open. Now, when you do this, notice how it's going to open as a separate tab down here at the bottom. So what you have to do to basically put it back is just simply select this image. So the easiest way would be to just click on it, or to basically press Ctrl and A on your keyboard to select it, and then press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy it, okay? So that's the first thing you have to do. So press Ctrl A and then Ctrl C on your keyboard. Once you've done this, you want to go back to your canvas down here bottom left, and then from here you can just paste it. So press Ctrl and V on your keyboard, and there we go, it's going to paste it in here. Now to move it, you want to select this tool over here, which is the Move tool, and you can now click and drag it wherever you want it to be, okay? So that's how to add a picture in Paint Tool SAI. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.